Guys, I'm so excited about the winner. He was amazing and he really deserved it. Like on a serious note, besides me now, he seriously deserved it. And God bless him. God bless you all. For me, it's definitely going to be reality TV, clothing, hair, and script writing and acting. Yeah. This is a shout out to Pop Out from me, Ashely Ogle. They are popping.
Girlfriend ya sweet Guluva Ashely, and she was seen crying laphana ngalesikhathi baqeda ku-announcer ukuthi usweet Guluva inguye iwinner ya Big Brother season 5, and people are dragging ugirl saying ukuthi girl is just here for the 2 meters. Girl is just here to chow 2 meter, then utohamba, because people are saying ukuthi hayibo wena usiloyikhini too much for sweet Guluva wethu. There is no way nje wena ulana because of life. Wena we are here for the mula kesana, but guys, that's not fair. Like, we cannot judge someone city she's with the person because of money, because we don't even know when they started dating. Some people started data way before guy even decided to I join a Big Brother Mzansi. Anyway, it's congratulations to sweet Guluva. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. I'm signing out. Goodbye.